Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some cabbage and saltfish. So right here I have the pot on the stove with some oil heating it up before I add in my seasoning. So I have onion, garlic, sweet pepper, tomato on this platter. So I'm adding it and I'm gonna allow it to saute a bit before adding the saltfish first. It's followed by the cabbage and then season to taste with some Maggi seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and maybe a pinch of salt because the salt codfish, otherwise known as saltfish, is already salted. So I'm not gonna add much salt. Yes, and maybe a little butter to taste. Alright, so watch this video to the end. So my cabbage is going in after my codfish, okay? So here I am adding the codfish. Then I'm gonna stir it together, mix it together. Then I'm gonna add the cabbage in. So guys, you don't want your cabbage to be overcooked, so we're just gonna simmer it a bit with the seasoning and the codfish. So you stir it together. At this point I'm gonna add the black pepper, the garlic powder, the Maggi seasoning, and a pinch of salt with a little bit of butter to taste. Okay, so just spice it up a bit. Okay, you know cabbage can be bland, so you have to give it a little seasoning for it to taste real good. I didn't find an all-purpose, so I'm just using this chicken one. Magic tool. After adding those seasoning, I'm gonna stir it a bit, mix it up together, and then I'm gonna cover this and allow this to steam to cook just a little, not too soft, because cabbage should be cooked moderate, not overcooked. And as I said before, just adding a little bit of butter to give it some flavor. Okay, you can choose not to add butter, your choice. So guys, I'm gonna cover this and allow it to steam now, okay? And it's not going to take long. It's easy. Cabbage is easy. Once you prepare it, it's easy to cook and you have breakfast in no time, okay? Here I'm just checking, give it a little stir again for the season to come together. Yeah. Guys, and if you notice I didn't add any water, it makes its own liquid, so yes, no need to add any water. And there you have it, all done. Cabbage and saltfish, all done. No need to overcook. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.